actually show you this new startup company that's actually like that has mad potential. I mean, if you look at their charts, I mean, everything held up very nicely from the beginning. I've actually been tracking it for like the past 2 days because they actually just went on the market. But now it's like I know for a fact that they have a very, very healthy chart, and everything about them says bullish. Um, I know that recently they got on CoinGecko. Now they supposedly today, which is December 23rd, they are supposed to be getting on Coin Market Cap also. So we're gonna possibly see it do another. Well, it probably just did its run, but I I can speculate that it's gonna have a lot of runs and a lot of potential. So this is an awesome project to get into. I'ma actually go to the um I'm actually go to their white paper and actually talk about this project a little bit. Hopefully people resonate with it. If you don't, you don't. But so supposedly they're trying to be the first um the first crypto hedge fund, and it is and they have everything like pretty organized, and I really love how they execute. I just got into them like recently. My friend's been following them for a minute, and we've been talking about them. And they're always like on their Telegram. You can ask them questions. Um, yeah. So I'm probably just gonna like point out some important things that they talk about, and then we'll go from there. So give me 1 sec, please. Man. So I mean, it's like even if you like start off with their white paper, just page one. If like I'll just read this to you, and like you'll see like how detailed that they actually like have their stuff and how organized. And these are people who've been trading for like over 20 years, that's actually working on this project, which like adds so much credibility to it. Um, so the entire landscape of finance has been completely upended in the past decade. It is moving from a centralized understanding of the world to one that is decentralized. Tech entrepreneur and cryptocurrency advocate Andreas Antonopoulos, sorry for scorning your name, said that when an industry such as finance transitions to a more decentralized and open model, then a tsunami of innovation that was pent up for decades is suddenly released. So I actually love that first paragraph because it really talks about how, and it talks about on a surface level how much innovation we're going to go into within these next 10 years. Um, yeah, and like when you scroll down, you know, they talk about a new wave of financial innovation is upon us. Decentralized finance provides the solid foundation for new financial services that are so powerful and advantageous that we will soon look back on them and question how we ever operated without them. I just love their intro. I mean, like, I'm not gonna just like read everything. Just kind of like breeze through it, point out things that I actually love about this, and yeah. So I'm actually going to scroll down how Ghost Trader works. I'm going to talk about that with you guys. And honestly, comment if you want me to like be more detailed. I'll make another video and like actually like go through this stuff little by little and answer any questions that people have. For those interested in participating in this project for the possibility of hedge fund sized returns in a secure, decentralized space, please read the following details carefully. We wish to make our intentions clear from the very start. This is only an opportunity for a professional, like-minded community that wishes to share in their success together. It is for educated people who understand the current financial markets and would enjoy taking this financial ride with us. Please know from the get-go that success for Ghost Trader is not measured by seeing the token price increase 10 times. Rather, it's longevity and regular returns that we aim to give our token holders. We truly want to share the love and rewards all around, which is why we are prepared to give the biggest slice to our token holders first. So make this happen. We are going to do something that is definitely unique in this new world of blockchain and DeFi or DeFi. Where other token developers all like to make themselves the money first, then let any remainder trickle down to participants if they are lucky or astute enough to get in and out of the right time. We will absolutely not be doing that. In other words, we would only be successful if our participants are first accordingly. The dividends we are structuring for Ghost Trader for our clientele will come out of the pot first. The Ghost Trader project will initially establish on Binance Smart Chain a fast, secure, decentralized digital asset, which is a good thing. I actually like Binance. Binance has so much potential. We will pull all of the initial participants' funds and have our trading team begin trading immediately, even prior to the official launch of the coin. The majority of the BNB received will be placed into the first trading portfolio. Early participants or contributors through either a private or VIP sale will receive a share of 65% of the profit pool for any part of the period the profits were generated. These profits will be shared equally among token holders according to the number of tokens held during that period. Now, I hope I'm not going too fast because like their tokenomics is like very, very complex, and it's like number one, so we're basically one big community that has a pool that, and it's almost like we're constantly recycling money as it grows. So as it grows, our pockets grows also, you know. So it's like it's very interesting how they actually thought about this, because they made it so that way it's almost like everybody benefits. If that profit pool for the 2-week period in this question were €100,000, the profit pot for the private or VIP token holders would be 65% of 100,000 or 65,000. So let's say 100,000 tokens have been issued to keep things simple. If you're holding 1,000 tokens all through the 2-week period in question, your portion of the pool will be 650. This can either be loaded to a Ghost Trader Visa debit card, or you can choose to compound your holdings and buy more Ghost Trader tokens. Likewise, if you prefer, you can receive your dividend payments in USD coin. The private and VIP holders will continue to receive the 65% share throughout the lifetime of the project. See, they have compound interest. I mean, like everything is basically to benefit your pockets. So as long as you keep these tokens, it's like money will just keep coming. This is like very, very complex, and I love it. Those participants who wait until the pre-sale or official launch will receive a 50% share of the profit pool, so 15% less than the private. Okay, so actually I don't even have to read that because it's already out now. But I was actually part of the pre-sale, which I am so blessed to be a part of. 90% of the trading. 10% will eventually be used to trade in the wider crypto market and carefully vetted projects. 90% of the trading portfolio will be traded by the trading team in foreign exchange. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, Financial Times. See, they even plan to actually put put the money in stock portfolios, the foreign exchange markets, um, and oh my god, I can't remember this name. Financial Times Stock Exchange. See, this is amazing how they actually want to keep the money rolling. The majority of trading will involve day trading in FX using a mixture of fundamental analysis along with the team's understanding of market sentiment. This will also include the way other traders evaluate risk and reward. In the weeks to come, we will also be adding a shorter term strategy using advanced order book trading techniques to take advantage of volume spikes. We will also be taking advantage of select arbitrage opportunities in fragmented markets when appropriate. Okay, I actually have to go and do my research. What is select arbitrage? Okay, so let's see. And honestly, like, you guys should definitely join their Telegram because their Telegram, like, the way they tell this story is so amazing. Um, yes, that's really all I can say. So now, let's see. So those are just the people. Um, Total GTR tokens will be 100 million. Private sale contributors will receive 45,600 GTR tokens per 1 BNB or pro rata to that. All other contributors, honestly, I'm gonna just come back.